Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manzimane, Chef Lebo. It has been a while since we posted a video, and I was mid cooking supper and I was like, hey Bo, I have a YouTube channel that I've like semi forgotten about. I'm sorry guys. So today for dinner with Chef Lebo, I think we're on episode 9. Yes, episode 9, close to 10 episodes. Yay! So in episode 9, we are going to be doing a cottage pie with some butternut peas. So if you want to check that out, guys, let's get right into the video. I'm boiling 5 medium cut potatoes until they're super soft. By the third time I poured in the milk, it was already too much. So what I had to do was just put it on a hot stove so that the milk can evaporate. You just need a bit of milk so that it isn't dry, it's nice and moist. The mash is nice and moist. So So this is the final product. Looks so scrumptious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl, Chef Lebo, signing out.